What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and as promised you guys, finally we have our Madam Glam Advent Calendar, which I'm so excited about. This is limited edition. Madam Glam does have it on clearance price right now, so go ahead over to Madam Glam's website and you can get it on sale. As you guys know, well, they did go ahead and extend the Cyber Monday sale from what I noticed, and there's tons of discounts on a lot of stuff. So if you guys wanted to do maybe some Christmas shopping over there, of course you can always use my discount code for 30% off. If you can't find any discounts, it's just Goddess Nails 30. And what else did I want to tell you guys? I'm not sure, but anyway, so I'm so excited about this. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's pretty big, and one of my followers that I really love on Instagram, I saw her unbox hers today. And it says, "Glam is to move, to breathe, to fly, to float, to roam the roads of lands remote." And number 25 is here. This is number 25. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's see. So this is box number 1. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, but I already know what it is because I saw the reel on Insta today. But you can never get enough of this, I will say. So I am thankful for it. It's like where it all started, you know? Voila. It's a base coat. And honestly, Madam Glam's base coat is really good. I like their base coat and their top coat. Ever since I learned how to use the top coat, I really like it. You just have to make sure to cure it well enough, and you also have to give it a little bit of time to set once it comes out of the lamp. Do not wipe the tacky layer off right away, or in other words, while it's still hot. But for the base coat, it's first off, the consistency is very nice. It gives you a full coverage with ease, but it doesn't run all over the place, so it's not too thick and it's not too thin. And aside from that, it works very well. Madam Glam polish, one of my girls, she came back and all of her nails were still in perfect tact except for 2 of them, which were like her thumb and her index finger, which are the ones we use the most. But I was really impressed by that. So anyways, you guys, what do you think number 2 is? If number 2 is top coat, I wouldn't be surprised. And then number 4. What's number 4, you guys? I was reading on the website and it said that 2 of the gifts I think 2 of them would be something that we've never seen on the website before. So I'm really excited. But I will tell you guys, no peeking ahead, okay? That would not be fun. So tomorrow we're going to open number 2, and I'm going to do it early in the day. I want to be one of the first people to open mine. Actually, is it after midnight yet? I wonder. No, I'm just kidding, guys. And just so you can see, look at how pretty. Uh-oh. I will include more photos on my blog post to accompany this. I'm going to do this one and the Madam Glam Aspen Winter Wonderland or something. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm going to do those both on one blog post because I'm very excited about both of them. If you guys didn't, make sure you do go and watch me unbox these. They are literally so beautiful. I'm obsessed. As you guys probably saw, this is my favorite. It is so beautiful. So I need you guys to drop some nail design ideas down below for me. I really love this color too. I hope someone wants nude nails soon, because I'm going to be like, oh, this is the perfect color. And then tomorrow one of my girls is coming, and I hope she picks this color because I'm obsessed with it and she loves green. So I'm thinking I'll be able to get her to wear that one. But anyways, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you did like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you didn't already subscribe but you would like to be notified every time I post, then go ahead and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. You guys go over to my website. I'm going to be updating a lot of stuff tonight, okay honey? So tonight is the night. You guys will be seeing the updates about my giveaway, so stay tuned for that. It's www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog, and you can find me on Instagram at scorpiongoddessnails. And I love you guys so much. Holla. Peace.